Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel! So, are you ready to get bored? Kasi we're not gonna do anything fun. We're gonna do an unboxing. I finally decided to order my ring light. The Prestigio 18 inches 6-feet ring light. I bought it at Kim's store, delivered Saturday. Thursday ko lang siya in order, so it was just 2 days. Let's open it. Tinanggal ko na yung bubble wrap kasi super wrap talaga siya. It takes time. So what am I going to take out first? Ito muna. Nasa loob ng box. Ayun. This is the This is the 6-feet light stand. And hindi ako marunong kamasira ko to. Should I open everything right now or wait na lang ako? God, parang because you can figure out anything there. Ito talaga yung stand. Oh, and then you get to pull everything out from here. Gets ko na. So, ito yung sa baba ng camera. And then you're gonna just twist it. Okay. Hala! Hala! I really shouldn't do anything. Tapos, bukod ko. I mean, let me figure out makeup, but let me figure out. Ooh! Nice! I won't open everything. So, lock it up again. Here. Stood here. So, ilalock din siya dito. So, we have another here. Yeah. I know, it's very basic, but, well, I don't do these things. Yan. Ganyan. Dito ka sa tabi ko. Next na, buksan natin. Oh! Ito na pala. After nung rectangular box, ito na ang bag ng light. Oh, be very careful. Wow. Open natin. This is the kasi may listahan ng Kim Store. 1-piece ring light 18 carry bag. Well. Nasa box. Nasa box? Mabigat. Mabigat siya. Mamaya na lang yung sa box. Ito na lang. I think I'm going to mamaya dito ako rin open. This is the ring light. Yun. So let's open the box. I think everything else is in here. Here, the complicated one right here. So we have battery charger pack, 1-piece battery charger, which sabi ni Kim Store free here. So diyan na ako sa battery mo nung swivel pa. Nipis din siya ang battery, no? Travel charger. Ano naman ni? This, the battery. So, paano to? Ano ni? It says na, the battery, dalawang battery siya. Or lagay dito. Ayun. So, it's 2 battery per dito. Battery lasts for 2 hours, and then yung charging niya is 1 hour per battery. So we have the battery and the 2 pieces free battery, and then we have the light stand. Now we have the 1-piece AC power adaptable cord and plug. Yan. Connected. Cord and plug. Here, complete. Next we have the ano to? I don't know. I don't know what this is. And then we have these. More screws that I don't know. I will figure it out kapag i-connect ko na. I mean, i-assemble ko na. Ito na yun, guys. You wanna see this one wrapped in ganito lang. These are the 4 pieces white diffuser. Ooh. Ito yun for cool colors. Ito yung white. And then yung 4 pieces na orange for warm lighting. Yun. 1, 2, parang medyo very light material. And that's it. That is my unboxing of my Prestigio ring light. 4,480 yung bili ko sa Kim store. Cash on delivery. And meron siyang shipping fee na 390 and then yung total niya is 4,870. Delivered by llyzspeaks. I will try to assemble this and hopefully okay siya kasi ang hirap magkabol ng sunlight, especially kung Saturday or Sunday din may lakad ka sa morning or when you wake up late. So I will be back. I will try to put this, I will try to assemble this on my own. Ginawa kong alternate. White, orange, white, orange. So pwede naman white hole, pwede din orange hole, pero hassle siyang tanggal kasi natatakot akong baka mabali yung plastic. So, ito na lang. Ganito na lang. I think okay naman yung kalalabasan. Yung okay naman yung kalalabasan nito. Pero mag-experiment pa ako. Ano talaga. Nakabit ko na yung dalawang battery. And look. Ha! So, yung makita. So, natural light compared sa ring light. It's so bright! Woo! Oh, you know what? Ang ganda. But it's so bright. Meron bang dimming station? Oh, there is a dimming station. That's so bright. And then the dimming. So, again, compare. Oh, nice. This is natural light. This is natural light, ring light, super low dim, and brighter. Here. Ito yung ano niya, dimming thing. Ito yung guys. Super dim, tapos bright, and dim, and then bright, and then dim. And then there's a switch. Ang ganda! I love it so much! Wala ko nagmahay na I bought it even though it's like 5K plus kasama yung shipping fee. But I do like it. Now, I just have to connect it here. And I don't want to connect it now kasi baka mahulog. Wala akong trust sa sarili ko. I'm not saying that hindi marunong yung mga babae nito. All girls are capable of doing whatever they want. But for me, personally, hindi ako marunong. So, antayin ko si Papa. Just to be sure, kaya magsakit niya akong dugkan, ipatagak, and then 5K, bye! Diba? So, I hope it helps if you want to consider buying a ring light for your vlogs. I hope na kahit ganito lang yung unboxing and vlogging ko, nakita niyo yung difference. So, I'll see you next time on my next vlog with my ring light being used. Enjoy, guys! Do subscribe, follow my channel. I'll be posting a lot na since sa gabi or late afternoon I can actually vlog because of this. Bye! Enjoy your day!